last lecture we created this structure, this sketch in our project. So today we will see how to edit this sketch, how to exit from this sketch, and how to rename it. And we will see what is the extrude command. So see, this is all we created in our last lecture, last tutorial. So here are the options: exit sketch in right corner, or you can directly click exit sketch from left corner. So anything you can choose, just click exit. Now your exit from the sketch. Now see, your exit sketch is here. If you will click, it will show the dimension, otherwise it will not show the dimension. If suppose you want to change the name of this exit sketch one, so just right click and select feature properties. Here you can give the name, any name, select part 1. Okay, see the name part 1, or directly double click. Anyway, and if you want to edit this part again, so just right click and here edit sketch. You can go directly edit sketch, then again you entered in sketch. Now if you want to change the thing, just select any dimension, like if you want to change this, direct double click on the dimension and change dimension 20 mm. Okay, see, it is 20 mm. And exit from the sketch. Now this dimension change. So this is the way you can change the dimension, you can change the part name. Now we want to see how to extrude this body. So go to feature. These are the 3D modeling tools. There are many tools: extrude, boundary, lufted, revolve, hole wizard, revolve, but there are many options. But today we will see only extruded boss. So select your part 1 and select extruded boss. See, a window pop up, and we created this structure in top plane, so it shows in top plane. Here, from which plane, then direction 2, thin, selected counter. We will see a simple way. If you want to extrude, you can directly extrude by hand, it's no problem. Just drag and drop. Here you can select 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm in one direction. If you want to go in another direction, choose direction 2. See, it is going by direction 2. Suppose direction 2 you want to go 30 mm. Whatever you want, just put it and it will go directly downside. Or just disclose. Then there are one option, mid plane. Now see, if you will extrude, it will extrude it from both mid side. Even if you change dimension here, it will change in both directions. Okay. So we will see only one way, blind, and 10 mm. So this is our structure created in our this lecture. Click OK. Now see, the part is created. This is our part. You can just rotate by clicking your third number button in mouse, and you can rotate easily. See, please subscribe our channel for more videos and more projects in SolidWorks.